the front door. Wave, Connor. Wave.
Hello.
Okay. This is the great room. Our fancy dancy table. The telescope in the entryway. The front door. Wave, Raiden.
Hi.
That is to the boys' room. We have, okay, to the right, boys' shower, their stuff. Connor, are you gonna watch your bathrobe? Left is the washer and the dryer. We come down here, turn this way, the boys' bath, and the bunk room with drawers underneath. It's kind of disarray. The bunk room, the wall. So then we go back, out, turn left, out, back to the entryway, back to the great room. To the left is the master bedroom with the door. And the master bedroom goes and has a door there, so not fancy whatsoever. Over here into the kitchen. Just the kitchen with my table that we made from an old antique table with my island. And then there's the sink. And if you look out the kitchen window, you can see the pavilion and the green egg. And we have, this is the view down to the feeder. Oak trees. There's one nana wall looking out towards the pavilion. And then the view. Jerry did a burn pile. Turn, and then there's the fireplace. And then we walk over here. And we got half bath, Jerry sink with a pocket door. And the pocket door leads into the master bath with my sink and storage, and then this is my bathtub. Looking again out over the feeder. And the bathtub and the master shower are kind of all one, so I can use the shower to clean the tub. Closet. And then this goes back into the master bedroom. Circular, and back out to the great room.